Hello guys. Hi James.
Hi.
Welcome to another video. We are doing a monster truck video with the Rainbow Road and it's going straight. We've got 16 monster trucks and we have one winner. Isn't that right, James? One winner.
Yeah.
Right, let's do it, James. First two. First two. Who are you going to pick?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 48, 49, 50, 40,
Hold on, pick one.
15.
You're going to pick Earthshaker and... Dominic Toretto.
I want a stupid one.
Right, ready, James? Go! Dominic Toretto win. Right, next two. He's going for Spider-Man. No, he's going for Ducky. No. He's going for the T-Rex and Hot Wheels garage.
Daddy,
Hot Wheels car.
I'm saving Hoshin Call for an end.
Okay.
Hoshin
Something cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Go. And the Hot Wheels
Just hit it.
yellow car wins.
I thought you wanted to hit it.
The speed shop. Let's pick another two to race.
Who's going to be him?
We got the zombie and zombie. Who's your one, James? And we've got this Rush. Carnage, yes. Carnage, go. Go. Carnage wins.
Oh my, just hitting it.
Yes, it's a Carnage Asada.
Carnage is
Yep.
the biggest one in
Right,
the
next
world.
two. You got it, James?
First one.
We've got Duck.
First one.
Behind you, James.
Ah.
We've got Ducky and T-Rex. Mega Rex. Go, Ducky. Ready?
Oh my god, I was just taller than that.
Let's
I
go.
was taller than that.
And they're off. Oh, wow. Mega Rex is super quick.
Fit.
Mega Rex is super quick.
Can't fit.
Mega Rex
That one can't fit.
wins. Next two are up. Who are we going to pick, James? Who are you going to pick? We've got Spider-Man, we've got Thanos, we've got Stormtrooper, we've got Dragon, Mandalorian. Who are you going to pick?
That one and that one.
What one?
The one and that one.
Dragon and Stormtrooper. Let's do it.
I don't like the baby one.
Okay. Well, let's do it. Power up.
I don't
Hi,
like
James.
that. Turn off.
I don't know, just a turn off, is it?
What?
What the hell? Stormtrooper.
Didn't! Just one.
We'll do it again then. Do it again. James, let's do it properly this time. Let's go. Push the button properly. Go! Oh, Stormtrooper is super fast. And the winner. Yes. Alright, next two. We got Roger Dodger and Twin Mill. Oh, he's eager. Ready?
He wants to go ready.
Yeah. Go on, James.
No!
Roger Dodger wins. With his little fancy paintwork. Now we've got Bomber versus Mandalorian. Bomber.
It's like Bomber.
Yeah, it is. Good, James. Oh, for
That one
that is. Huh?
That one doesn't fit.
Who won?
He was going
It was Bomber.
No, it was
Bomber is the winner.
going like this. Just on that.
Nice.
It's right there.
Nice.
Nice.
Right, next two, we've got Thanos versus Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
This is going to be a good match, isn't it, James?
Yeah.
Remember, James? Come probably. Ready.
Hi, Spider-Man.
They're ready. Are we ready? Yes.
I think that Spider-Man's kind of real life.
Mm-hmm. Go! Thanos wins. He's a winner.
Oh, Spidey.
Cool, look at him.
Spidey.
He's got the jewels.
Spidey win.
These are the cards that got through to the last round. 8 left. Well, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe.
So, I'm going to show you something.
Not yet, James. We're still after. After you've done the race, we can show you what you want to show, okay? So, we have got... What's his name?
Done.
Crusade versus Mega Rex. Yeah, James? Oh, Crusade just wins. Oh, is it Carnage? Not Crusade.
Actually, let me just show Hoshin. Hoshin can open.
Open it up. Ooh, what's it got in it?
Carnage! Lava!
It's got tacos. We like tacos. Well, he goes for his next round. We're just calling it a taco shop, okay? Tacos. Alright, the next two are racing. We've got Thanos versus Bomber.
What?
He's running off. Haha.
Bomber.
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 Go, James, go.
450 go.
Oh, Bomber wins. Bomber. Yeah. Right, now we've got Roger
They
Dodger
Win the same
versus
time.
the Speed Shop or
They
whatever it
might
is.
win the same time.
Go! Oh!
Whoa!
Whoa! He's the winner. The Hot Wheels Speed Shop truck. Nice. Dominic Toretto versus Stormtrooper.
Let's do it.
Go! Oh, that Stormtrooper's quick. Yeah, Stormtrooper. The 4 left.
If you listen to me,
Let's do it, James.
if you listen to me, I can do Hoshin good.
And then let's do 4.
Backwards.
Not backwards.
Yeah.
You want to go through the thing, James?
Yeah. Go.
Right, there we go then. We've got Carnage versus
Let's put that open.
Speed Shop.
With it.
Right, go!
We can not open.
Taco Shop, go! Oh, he's the winner!
Jason fit.
Yeah, the Speed Shop wins. Taco lost.
Oh,
He lost.
Spidey.
Now we've got Stormtrooper
I hope they win.
versus Bomber.
I hope they win.
Go!
Oh,
Oh, that Stormtrooper's quick. Whew. Stormtrooper! Right, now we've got 2 left. The final. Best of 3. Let's do it, James. Best of 3.
It's going to be a big smash.
Race 1.
I hope they won't win the
Go,
same
James.
time.
Who won that race was the Speed Shop. So 1 point to the Speed Shop car. Oh, he's running off. Right, here's it. Will the Speed Shop win this one? Go, James. Yeah, Speed Shop is the champion. Yeah, that's cool. Right, James, what do you want to show us?
Let me give me the card.
So you got Spider-Man and Bomber.
Bummo.
Bomber.
And
So then what are you going to do then?
when we do this, they smashing each other. Can you see it? It didn't work.
Oh well.
Oh, well.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Hope you watch my other videos. And
Watch
have a
all
good
of
Christmas.
our videos and happy Christmas.
Yeah.
And enjoy all of your videos. Bye bye.
Bye.